coding buddies. It's another awesome day at summer coding camp, and Maya and her robo-friend Momo are ready for a new adventure in Python programming. Today's lesson is all about control structures in Python. So, let's get ready to explore Python together. Control structures are like the brains behind your code. They help your programs make decisions and repeat tasks, just like how you decide what to do next in your daily life. There are two essential control structures: conditional statements and loops. Let's start with conditional statements, which allow your program to make different decisions based on whether certain conditions have been satisfied. Suppose you're playing a game, and the program needs to decide what message to show based on your score. That's where these statements come in. Here's a simple example. If a player scores 90 points or more, they earn an advanced badge. Maya starts writing the code with an if statement to check the player's score. The if statement is a control structure that runs a block of code only if a specified condition is true. In this code, the if keyword starts the statement, followed by the condition points greater than equals 90. If this condition is true, the code inside the if block, which is indented, will run. Therefore, print skill level advanced will only execute if the player's score is 90 or more. Now, let's add an else to our code. The else statement provides an alternative block of code that runs when the if condition isn't met. This helps cover all possible outcomes. The else statement doesn't require a condition. It automatically runs its block of code if the if condition is false. Here, if the points are less than 90, the program will display skill level beginner. Notice how the else block is aligned with the if block, indicating that these are part of the same control structure. Next, we have elif, short for else if. This statement allows you to check multiple conditions in a sequence. It's like adding more decision points to your program. In this code, if the if condition, points greater than equals 90, is false, the program checks the elif condition, points greater than equals 50. If that's true, the program runs the code inside the elif block. If neither the if nor the elif condition is met, the else block runs. This structure allows the program to handle multiple conditions in a clear, logical order. Time for some practice. Let's write a program to check if someone is an adult or a minor based on their age. In this code, the if statement checks whether the age is 18 or more. If it is, the program prints, "You are an adult." If not, the else block runs, printing, "You are a minor." This simple structure helps the program make decisions based on a single condition.